Greetings, students. Welcome to the first week of EPublishing Tools. My name is Tony Julian, and I will be a professor for this course. This is the second time I'll be teaching this course, and last year I had the privilege of working with Ms. Kimberly Muller, who is an instructional designer here at GW, to design this course. And I'm very excited to build on what we did last year. I was born in Trinidad and Tobago, and I've been living in the United States since 1994, and I have over 20 years of experience in design. I am currently the creative director at 728 Strategies, which is a PR and advocacy firm in Washington, D.C. We work on a host of different print, digital, and interactive projects for Fortune 500 clients, mostly in the healthcare space, but we do a lot of other projects as well. In my previous positions, I have worked with teams that work on both print and digital books. So I have a lot of experience, and I'm very excited about working with you guys on your publications. One of my main philosophies is interaction and really connectivity. And I want to make sure in this class that we are all interacting with each other. And even though it's an online class, we attend the weekly WebExes as best as we can. And we also send on the message boards to make sure we really keep in contact with each other, because I don't have all the ideas, and I want to make sure that you guys, I want to make sure your ideas are heard, and I want to make sure that you are out there and you're sharing with one another. So when we post different projects, I want to make sure that you guys respond to each other, and not just waiting for my response, but because I want you guys to be looking out there, looking at good design, and posting to the message board. So on many occasions, we will have projects where you have to go out and find what we'll consider good design, good publications, good book covers. And I want to see how you're thinking, and I want to see your opinions, and I want to read them, and I want to see what you guys mention to each other in the class. So it's very important that we stay connected in this class. So I've done a number of video tutorials for each week, and we don't have a book for this class, but I've gone through and made sure that everything you need to create a print publication within the first 4 weeks is there, as well as a digital publication, and the last 4 weeks will be there. I had some of you in my previous class, the e-publishing technologies class, where we learned how to write HTML and looked at ebooks, and you'll be able to kind of put this together. If you took that class prior, you'll see how ebooks are created in InDesign, which will be the application we'll be using, and InDesign is the leading application in the industry for creating publications. We'll be using InDesign, and I know some of you may have some fear of InDesign, never using it, but I'll be going really slowly and making sure you get what you need. If you attend the weekly WebExes, or if you're able to watch the recordings, I will be reviewing some of that content that's been done during the week. But I'll mostly be there to answer your questions if you're running into any problems. One of the most important things is practice. I say for all my classes, any application that you want to learn, you have to practice it over and over. InDesign takes practice. It takes time to get accustomed to the tools, to get accustomed to the different palettes and what they do. And there are many, many things that you can do with InDesign. And even though last year most of my students never used InDesign before, they created some astonishing, some really amazing projects, and I'm confident that you guys will do the same. I'll be showing you those projects early in the first week, so I want to make sure that we're all starting on the same page and you guys are all raring to go and excited, because I'm very excited. So I look forward to seeing most of you on Wednesday at the weekly WebEx, and have a really productive week. And don't forget to look at this first week to download your InDesign application, download Creative Cloud, install the application. And I created a video that's called InDesign Orientation. And I want you to look at that video, and that video is going to show you how to install, once you install the program, how to set up your first InDesign document, how to customize your toolbars and customize your workspace. So when we get that first project to jump in, you'll be ready to go. Okay, so look forward to seeing you, and I hope to see all of you writing and commenting in the student introduction message board. That's where we get to know everyone, get to know each other. So look forward to meeting all of you and have a productive week. Take care.